Good morning, students. Today we will learn about essay writing. A narrative essay tells a story. In most cases, this is a story about a personal experience you had. This type of essay, along with the descriptive essay, allows you to get personal and creative, unlike most academic writing. Why people write narrative easy? People write narrative essay to convey or share their feelings. How to write a narrative essay? To write an essay, follow these steps: introduction, body and ending. The introduction that grabs the reader's attention. Characters are introduced. The problem is outlined, consists of 3 paragraphs. Resolution to that problem is given. That was a lovely day. I am playing with my 5 friends in Garden of Skyline Society. While doing cycling, I got hurt on my knees. I cried a lot. Thank you. Please do like, share and subscribe Creative Adhithri.